Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to start an LLC with LegalZoom. Go to the LegalZoom website using your web browser. Navigate to the section of the website that deals with forming an LLC. This is usually found under Business Formation. Click on Start My LLC. LegalZoom offers different packages with varying levels of services and features. Review the options available and choose the package that best fits your needs and budget. For demonstration purposes, I am selecting the form for my LLC for free. You will need to provide information about yourself and your business, such as your name, address, and the name of your LLC. LegalZoom will guide you through the process with easy-to-follow prompts and forms. LegalZoom offers additional services that you may find helpful, such as registered agent services, EIN, application assistance, and operating agreement templates. Choose any additional services you need. Carefully review all the information you have provided to ensure its accuracy. You can explore more packages along with their features and pricing. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.